Brie and Nikki had shoot for Hikalugo last month. Earlier today, Hikalugo Instagram handle shared these behind the scenes of Bella's shoot. In these videos, Brie is trying to make Matteo laugh and Birdie is making BudBud laugh. Brie shared this picture captioning, "It is my Bud and Bird are the best mommy helpers." They also shared these video of a small competition between Bellas. Brie also shared this picture of Birdie captioning, "It is so proud of this little bird. Daddy teaching her to write the alphabet. Daniel might be the only person who volunteers to homeschool lol." Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Also check these videos on the screen.